Well, hello everybody. So obviously been a couple weeks since we've gotten a video out, but we've had some weather and it's winter. I do not like the cold weather at all. So I've been doing a lot of boat work, but I don't want to bore everybody with the boat work all the time. What we're doing here today is fixing a couple holes on the transom there from the old motor mount. We took the new motor mount off so we could get to those. Got the engine bay just about done, and put some pictures up on that. So that's about done. And this old hatch, we got this old hatch done. And I'm gonna take this hatch off of this cockpit. Not sure why they had it here other than try to get access to that shore power, which we're removing anyway. We're gonna take it out. Well, I got this stupid thing out finally. I don't know if they used 5200 or what, but that wouldn't work. I actually broke a corner off of this. There you can see it. I broke a corner off that, so I did end up having to use the oscillating tool to get it cut free and out of there. Now I can actually re-glass this all in and put a whole patch in here. So that'll be the next project. Beach hair, don't care. It's kind of a messy hair day, but sun's just about going down here anyway, so I've got to wrap this up tonight. Got like a 30% chance of rain or something over the next once or twice over the next 2-3 days. So went ahead and covered this up for right now. It's supposed to warm up next couple days, so I'll be able to epoxy glass patch this. But for now, this 3M yellow exterior tape, this is the only thing that really works for waterproofing. If you try to use, as far as a temporary thing, if you need to cover a hole real quick or something like that, use duct tape or anything like that, it's just gonna come up. It's not gonna, as soon as it gets wet, it's not gonna hold. This stuff, however, does not. Get this 3M yellow tape, exterior tape, if you ever need to do a quick cover of a screw hole or something, because you can't epoxy it right that moment or fill a hole or something like that, or anything. So just a quick solution. It's glassed in with some 1708. I'm just about to do some paint. I got to do some fairing and paint on it. I'm about to put this floating dock out so I can do the repairs on the old bolt holes on the transom from the old motor mount. Also got the fridge in place, and I'll jump down in here. The fridge is in place and it's on sliders now, so this works great. Absolutely love it. Still got to do some finishing work on it and then get the final epoxy and paint. And the fridge slides, they're done. Had to make some adjustments, but we're good. Slides out. We got easy access to the fridge. Got a couple things in here I got to throw away actually, but other than that, we're good. So, pretty stoked how that turned out. I've got a few things to do right here, but I got to hook up the sink still. And we got some new facing to put around to build out. So, still a work in progress, but short of that, pretty happy with how it's turned out. Getting ready to do the final epoxy and paint also on the Nav Station. You can see we've taken out a bunch of stuff that we'd put in on it when we dry fit it. But we're actually getting that wrapped up as well, so we get that painted. This repair up here, this was a very large hole up here, so I've got that fixed. That hole in there is actually for the other speaker that's going in there, so that's got to get the paint and some fairing and some paint, and that'll be done. And I got the electrical wire ran here for the fan. One of the fans installed up there. Got a lot done here in the last couple months that we've been dealing with both my surgery, which is now healed up really nice, a little bit of the scar, but for the most part that's healed up good, where they pulled that port out, healed up from that, and then just been trying to deal with the winter and trying to get some of the boat work done while it's been cold. So that's why we haven't filmed a lot. And these are the last couple items that I'm wrapping up here today. That way we can get out and get back on the water. Get all the pollen on top of the solar panel. So we will see. I can't quite get it on camera. There's a lot of it. So we'll spray it down and see. It is actually cloudy outside, and we are getting over 50 watts and about 4 amps in from the solar panels. That's awesome. I like it. Thank God. Now I got to get the top on here and a drawer built into this. And she's going to be good, but at least now we got the power all back on. Oh, I am glad that this bad boy is done. And I'm super happy with how it turned out. Got access to everything here. All of our electrical here. The panel folds down so we have access to it. Got access into the batteries here. So other than that, super happy and stoked with how it all turned out. It's been a long couple months getting all this done, but we're there. We got solars all hooked up. We're doing good there, and I do need to install the inverter on here. Once that inverter is installed, that'll be good too. Then we can at least use a slow cooker in here and coffee pot. So that's important. Coffee is important. Anyway, I'm exhausted. I am tired. And the plan right now is to go sailing tomorrow. Don't know if we're going to have any wind. Doesn't look like we're going to have much wind. But not going to stop us. It's been a couple months. I'm getting out and going sailing. So being patient with us all. And thanks for being patient while we, just dealt with some of the boat work we needed to do, and dealt with me healing up, and also getting through the winter blues and all that stuff. I kind of shut down a little bit in the wintertime, and I don't know why. Need to take vitamin D in the winter or something. So it's always that way. But starting to warm up. I think we got spring coming in early. So it's been good.